Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be looking at something new, which is Java. This is the second episode of Java tutorial course that I made for beginners who want to learn more about Java and how to code in Java. If you're new here, my name is Anthony and I teach Java tutorials on this channel. Take a sip. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please consider subscribing to this channel and to support me. Okay, now let's get started. So firstly, we need to create a new Java project. So hit right click at the left panel, new, and select Java project. So here we need to enter the name of our project. So today is a wonderful day, so I'm gonna name it Wonderful Day and hit finish. Okay, so we need to extend our project, so click at the arrow right next to our project, click here and right click at the source folder, new, and select class. In this step we're gonna create a new class. Here the name of our project, so I'm gonna name it Hello Everybody and hit finish. So this is the template of our class in Java, public class, and the name of the class. So the first thing we need to do is create the main method. So that would be public static void and main, and string args. Okay, so as a beginner, you don't need to understand all the keyword here, public, static, void, string, and class, and public, but you need to understand that in a class, the void main, the public static void main method, this one right here is very important. So everything that we write inside this class will be executed when we run the class Hello Everybody. So the first thing we can do in this tutorial is to print out something into the console right here. So the first part is print out. So this is one example of a command line in Java. So in Java, a command line starts with the symbol /. So when we run the class Hello Everybody, Java will skip this line and move to the next line. Okay, so to print out something into the console, we need to type in system.out.println, and we're gonna print out you are the best. And don't forget to put the semicolon at the end of the line, because semicolon in Java, it marks the end of each statement in Java. Okay, so save the file, and now we're gonna run the file. So to run the file, we need to choose run right here and select run. So we can see you are the best is printed in the console right here. So actually there are two ways to run the file in Eclipse. The first way is click run and select run right here. And the second way is Control F11. So we hold Control and click F11, and it's gonna print out you are the best. Okay, so there is one powerful thing in Java we can do today is variable. So we can create let's comment this line out. Okay, we can create a new variable with the type of string. Name, let's call it statement, and assign it to you are the best. Don't forget the semicolon at the end of the line. So to print, we can print out this statement inside the console right here. Okay, so to print out this, system.out.println, end statement. The semicolon at the end of the line and click run. So we can see that "you are the best 2" is printed into the console right here. If we keep this line on and run the file, you can see two statement is printed inside the console. The variable statement right here is have the type of string, so a string variable can only store a statement type, data type like this. So we cannot say string statement 2 equal 3. It will show the error. But if you put that in a double quote like this, it will become valid. Okay, so there are some more example of variable type that I can show you, which is int, which stand for integer. We can name it number equal 5 equal 6. Okay, let's print now number. Okay, run. So you can see 6 is printed in the console. So in an integer variable in Java, it can only store integer value like 6 or 5 or 7. But if you put like 6.5 here, right here, it will show the error. So if you want to store 6.5, you need to create another variable with type of double number 2 and assign that to 6.5. Don't forget the semicolon and print out number 2 right here. Okay, so run. It will show 6.5 in the console. We also have Boolean data type, which store true or false. Let's name it flag, and I assign that to true, and if you want you can assign that to false. And we also have char data type. We can name it character and assign that to the alphabet A. Okay, so now we're gonna print out all the statement. So system.out.print number. Let's copy that, put it right here. Number 2 flag character. Okay, let's run it to see. Okay, so "you are the best" is printed. "You are the best 2" is printed. Number 6, number 6.5 true, and A is also printed into the console. So that is the end of today's tutorial about variable in Java. Hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comment section. I will try my best to answer them as soon as possible. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to support me. I really appreciate that.